行くよ。どこ行くかな？ワッフル行くよ。
While me do my two-step.
Go go go! Stop! Nasa atin yun, guys. Yan sila na play. Waffle, come here, mommy. Ay, why are you so excited? Watch out, watch out. It's dangerous there. Abunay. Ano pa ni? Kumete kudasai. Yari. No! Cut! Cut! Tibay talaga. Konting tour sa aming mga kapitbahay. Tingnan mo. Ang kulit. Aso na to. Watch out. Watch out, baby. Hey, watch out. Now we are near shrine. So, yung mga Japanese, every New Year, pupunta sila dyan. Dyan sila nagdadasal. Bumibili ng mga charms. So, this year, hindi kami pumunta dyan. Oh. Okay. Waffle, we go home. Good?
Cut out when I pull.
Right.
Ah!
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Waffle.
I thought do that. I gonna do that. I don't do it. What you looking?
Joker talaga to siya, guys. Napaka-joker talaga ng anak ko. Watch out! Keep left to. Keep left to. Abo na yun. Hapon. Ayan. Papaba na kami from shore. Oops! Watch out! Use the brake. Hand brake. Meaning stop. Good job. Good job. Hey, maybe that thing. Nothing. Ganito talaga sa amin, guys. Sa Japan. Oops!
Oh.
You
cut? You cut?
No? Ang sarap pag may garden dito. Presko at nakasave pa. Oh! So, sanay-sanayan lang yan. Dati, ano talaga dito napaka-bored sa part ko. Pero ngayon, medyo nasanay na. We arrived home.
Sorry.
Yan yung labas ng apartment.
You thought that is fun?
Ha? Ano siya kanta?
Yeah. I not do anything. So broken.
Ha?
Good. Good. And I not fall down in bicycle.
Yung gari. You say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
To camera. We're back. So after walking or go outside, si Waffle, iwa-wipe natin yung kanyang head. Face muna. Yan. Ang lamig talaga, guys. Yung kamay ko sobrang lamig. Parang nanginginig. At saka, feet. At saka, putintin. Love you. Tanushikata na. You get mad. I don't get mad. Love you. Dene. So, that's all for today. Pasensya na sa mga fast lock natin, no? Kasi hindi nakapag-ayos anyway. Maganda na yung natural minsan. Thank you for watching and have a nice day ahead. Bye-bye!